Hi everyone, this is Luc-Olivier for Motor Illustrated, and today I'm presenting to you a car that I haven't driven. This is the brand new 2027 Ferrari Amalfi. This is basically the mid-cycle life change for the Ferrari Roma. This model does not exist anymore. Now it's called the Amalfi. Basically, they've redesigned the front end. They changed the front grille, which is, in my mind, a pretty good idea because the design of it was not that great. Now it looks a lot more like the Purosangue or the new Ferrari Daytona, which is quite a looker. If you look at the wheels, amazing design, carbon fiber brakes behind it, and the rear design is pretty much the same. They've redesigned the taillights, but they kept the 4 exhaust pipe, which are very good looking. Under the hood, this is pretty much the same thing as the Roma, but the power have been increased. It still is the 3.9 twin turbo V8. We love front engine V8 with Ferraris. Power and balance is very good with this vehicle. And you can get to 640 horsepower. This is slightly more than the 612 that was previously available. And talking about torque, we are at 561 pound-feet of torque. So this engine is very powerful, and you can do the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.3 seconds. So this car is very quick. Price-wise now, obviously it's a Ferrari, so we're talking about big money. It's the smallest Ferrari available in Canada, well, pretty much in the lineup in the world, and it starts slightly below $300,000 at $297,000. So if you go with the option catalog, it can go up very high. But the good thing with this is it's brand new. It's premiere right now here in Quebec, and it's a good looker. So if you want to see it, you might have a chance to come to Ferrari Quebec to see it.